Okay, I'm back. My daughter showed up and to pick up my granddaughter. And so now back to nice and quiet. Okay, so I'm doing that stem stitch. Look, a bunch of threads in the way here. Stem stitch. And then this first little leaf right here, I'm just gonna do a lazy daisy in there. Pull it just not tight at all, because you want the loop. If you pull it tight, you'll lose your loop and it won't be as cute. So then I'm going to continue on with the stem stitch. Looks like one more. Come up where that other stitch is. Let's go down. I don't really know how to do this stitching that well, but okay, I'll go up this way and make that little loop there, and come back up here and continue with the stem stitch. And then here, and then I kind of took it back around so that then I can do my flower there, I think. This one's nice and clean on the back. All right. Forget that what kind of stitching I'm doing anymore. Okay, so now what kind of flower can I do there? Let's see. I don't want to do anything that's going to be... Okay, let's do a lazy daisy, but like a half a lazy daisy. I'll show you. Let's see. I think I'm going to do this yellow because we have a little bit of yellow in all of these now. We're getting there. Got a mess here. Put a knot. So these lazy daisies, I'm going to do different lengths. I'm going to see what I could do. So I'm going to make this one a little bit shorter here. Now if I want, I can do a French knot in the top of this. When I go back down, it'll have a little dot at the top. Oh, darn you. That messes up my knot. Okay, it's not too bad. All right, and so then I'm going to come back up here. And then I'm going to make a little longer one out here. Pull it through, make my little lazy daisy, and then do two around and come back down, and that puts a French knot up there. Now see, this is, if you can see that, it's like a little bit too far apart, and see how you lose the daisy thing? But I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to continue on. I don't know what shape I'm going to end up making because I really don't know That's where I like my pillow to stab that in, so when I pick it up it still stays. Okay, so there's a half a one, unless, I don't know, I'm not really good at flowers. I think I'll do one coming way out this way, like so. French knot in there. And let's see, do I want one? I guess I could do one going down this way or something to make it look like it's dropping the other way. Let me just do it, and then if it doesn't look the way I think it should look, I will just add more of these daisy leaves petals on. In other words, I'll just keep going that way with it, but I'm okay with that right now, I think. So I'm just going to knot that. Okay. Now if we put this back on there, you see that just blends in. What else was I going to put here? This, I think. And, oh, the butterfly. So I'm going to do that down here. But see, it kind of gives you a little something to look at there. And I may go back in and put a couple more daisy petals. But then in here, I will sew around all of these here also. And then to connect it together, I'm going to kind of do this kind of stitch all around the edges. And then we'll sew all of those edges together to form the box. We'll put a backing on here when we stitch these side parts. All right, so maybe I'll do all of that except one, and then when we come back, I'll show you how I go around it with this stitch or a blanket stitch, and then we can sew the boxes together in the next video. All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'm sorry it was a long one, but it takes a long time to slow stitch, and that's what's good, is that you do it when you can. You can pick it up when you're in the kitchen making dinner. You can have your little slow stitch box and do a couple of daisies while you're waiting for dinner. All right, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.